Good, happy Thursday, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Train derailment causes significant traffic delays in Nashua. A train derailment caused significant traffic delays Thursday afternoon in Nashua. The derailment was reported about 1:45 p.m. Significant traffic delays were reported on Main Street at Canal Street. Drivers were asked to avoid the area, but the road was back open about 2:30 p.m. Officials said that first responders were at the scene with railroad staff and there was no threat to the public. There was no report of any injuries. For updates on this situation, visit www.nashuanewhampshire.gov/emergency. This is a developing story. And that does it for my news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your Thursday. Goodbye, everyone.